gonna show you some of my thrifted clothes, and this one, this olive green, tanga-tanga, basta malapit sa kulay green, sis. 50 pesos only. Ang ganda talaga, sis. Ang ganda, basta maganda, yun na yun. And the next item, this cardigan, it's color brown, and you get it for only 50 to 60. I forgot the exact amount or the price. Oops, ang kilikili, sis. Huwag masyadong itaas, nakakatakot. And the next item, di ko alam kung nagbibingo ako, nagla-live. This neon green. Wala pa kasi akong ganitong kulay ng damit. That it complements also all the Moranis out there. And it's from H&M. 100 pesos, sis. Grabe. 100 pesos, may ganun ka na. Mahal-mahal kaya nun.